Hey my Myntra beauty fam, this is Simmy Goraya and welcome to Myntra's YouTube channel. So this year I'm very intentional with my skincare, okay? And so today I'm going to show you my ultimate millennial winter skincare travel kit. But before we get into the video, there is a skin analyzer feature on Myntra's app which is great because now you can go analyze your skin and get product recommended by Myntra as per your skin type and your skin concern, which is great because you don't end up wasting money on different products. You get products according to your skin concern and skin type. Alright, so I am done with my skin analyzer and I have received all of the products that suit my skin type and skin concern. So let's get started with today's video. Alright, so before I get started with the video, all the products that I'm going to be using in today's video are mentioned in the description box below along with their links, so you can directly check the links out. Alright, so the first thing that you need in your skincare kit is a cleanser, but normal cleansers actually tend to make your skin dry during winters, which is anyway so harsh on your skin. So you need a cleanser which is sensitive and which is like really gentle on your skin. So for that, I'm going with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now this works on all skin type including sensitive skin, and this is what came up on my skin analyzer feature on Myntra. So this was the recommended one and I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so now I've just cleansed my face and my face is slightly damp. This is the right time to use a hyaluronic serum. I have this hyaluronic serum by the Dermaco, which is a great serum because your skin needs ample of hydration during winters, and hyaluronic acid will actually just seep into your skin and restore all of the moisture that you need for your skin along with other nutrients that your skin will thank you for. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to pat my skin dry. I'm going to let it be a little damp like this, as you can see, and I'm just going to take one pump of this. I'm going to take a whole pump. I'm going to dab on my face. Also, this product is linked in the description box below. You will love it. Trust me. Alright, so the next product that you need in your winter travel skincare kit is a moisturizer. Now, I cannot stress enough on how much hydration and moisturizer is important in your skincare kit during winters because your skin is already so dry. You need something which is long lasting but at the same time really light on your skin because nobody likes to reapply moisturizer when they're traveling, right? So for that, I have the perfect product which was recommended to me by the Skin Analyzer app. It is the Minimalist Cepicum 0.3% moisturizer. Now, this moisturizer has oats extract, it has squalene and amino acids, and the texture is very lightweight. It's sort of like perfect for winters, especially when you're traveling because you don't want to feel extremely heavy on your skin either during winters. You want your skin to be able to breathe, at the same time restore all of the moisture in your skin. And while you're applying the moisturizer, don't forget your neck. I have linked this product in the description box below. You guys can check it out. Alright, moving on to the next product. Now, there's a common misconception that you don't need to apply sunscreen during winters because, whatever, it's foggy and all that. But that's wrong. You should not skip sunscreen ever, like even when you're indoors, and let alone when you're in winters and especially traveling outside, because you want to protect your skin from the harmful sun rays. And for that, I've been recommended the perfect sunscreen by the Myntra Skin Analyzer feature. It is the Conscious Chemist sunscreen with SPF 50. Now, this sunscreen does not have a white cast at all. Like, it is such a beautiful sunscreen that just sort of gets absorbed into the skin instantly, So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take a small amount of this. The amount of product should be slightly more than the moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. So one frequently ignored part of our face is our lips, and especially during winters your lips get chapped, so you need something which is intensely hydrating and nourishing on your lips, and you do not have to reapply lip balm every 15 minutes. And for that, I have the perfect brand and the perfect lip balm for you. It is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Now, this is so intensely hydrating and moisturizing on the lips that you will not have to reapply this product once you have applied it. It will last you for hours. I love this product because it's so hydrating and so moisturizing. I can sense the hydration like really seeping into my lips. So obviously the product is linked in the description box to check it out. And lastly, let's not ignore our hands because our hands also need intense moisturization during winter, especially when we're traveling. We have lots to do with our hands, right? So we need a cream which will hydrate our skin and protect it from the harsh winters. So I have the perfect hand cream for you. It is the Kama Ayurveda hand cream. Now this smells delicious and it is so soothing on the skin. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna just apply that on my hands. Ah, it smells amazing. Alright, so with that, this was my ultimate millennial winter travel skincare kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the products that I've used are mentioned in the description box below along with their links, so do check it out. And also don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel and stay updated with all of the awesome beauty content that you get here. And with that, I will see you next time. Bye!